Today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to share with you some items that I received recently from the YouTube shopping holiday event. And basically, Crystal and I, our travel channel, was invited to this event. We were actually invited earlier this year in the summer, and we really wanted to go. It was in New York, but we were in Japan during that time. But luckily, they invited us back again, and this time it was in LA, and I live in LA, so I was able to attend the LA event. And it was over at the Google Spruce, I think it's called Google Spruce Center. But basically it was at Google's headquarters, and YouTube is owned by Google, so that's why it was held there. I wish Crystal could have came with me. She wasn't able to come with me. It was so much fun getting to know different people. Also talked to different brands and got to test out different products. They even had like a little photo shoot booth. So basically after the event, when we went home, we were gifted a huge suitcase full of gifts. And to be honest, I was really shocked. I was not expecting so much swag from this event. Because I got so much stuff, I just thought maybe it might be fun to kind of share the stuff that was gifted to us. And I'm not sure if I can do this all in one video because there's just so much stuff. It might have to be a 2-part or 3-part, but I'm just gonna go ahead and start. And then once I feel like, yeah, I think this is good for today, I'll stop and then I'll continue on for part 2 and part 3. So, okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with these 2 items right here, which were sitting on top of the suitcase. It's like, I'm afraid I'm gonna drop it. Well, let me just start with this one. So these are from Revolve Beauty, and I think these are so cute. They're like that old, like, suitcase style, but it's an advent calendar. Inside, it looks like this. Oh, forgot that there was a little card here. I know! Oh, it's kind of upside down. So basically, every day during the holidays, I get to pick out a little gift. For example, let me just pull one out. So I'm gonna pull number 7. So it says Aqua Bomb Eye Gel from Belief. I've never heard of this brand, but I am always, down to try out new skincare products. So this is like a fun way to discover new brands. And then, so this is the 12 Days of Beauty. And there's a bigger one if you want even more. This is the 25 days. I don't know, should I show the Christmas Day one? Maybe I shouldn't. So what if you're planning on getting this and you want it to be a surprise? Maybe I'll do it right in the middle again. It says Kopari Golden Aura Body Oil. Another brand I have not heard of. I also like that it's travel size because for traveling, I always look for like stuff that I can travel with. So actually this is probably a really nice little gift set with a bunch of stuff that you can probably take on travels with you. And now if I go through this, I don't know if you can see, I can't lift it, it's too heavy. And then inside, there was like a little card. You wanna come back up here? You wanna look. So this says set of 3 bowl covers, 100% cotton. It's perfect for potluck storage, kombucha brewing, and bread rising. I will use it for bread rising and also just covering for storage, because that's what I do use instead of saran wrap a lot of times. I use like these covers. Next is a Crocs bag. Crossbody bag. I didn't even know Crocs made purses and bags. I just thought they were just those sandals, but apparently they make bags. I feel like this would be good for the beach. What do you think, Zoe? It's got like organization in there, zippers, a mesh pocket. How cute is that? This I was so excited about because my AirPods broke. Well, it's my fault that they broke. I actually washed it in the washer, so they eventually broke, and so I needed a pair of earbuds, and so Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro gifted this. So happy. Thank you so much. I guess I'll do these together. So there are some supplements. Hannah. So it looks like this is a collagen powder, and then also some fish oil, which I do take fish oil. So I haven't tried this brand, California Gold Nutrition. So it's a new brand to try out. Probiotics. So trying that out. Uniqlo, I actually already own a bunch of these Heat Tech tops. They're my favorite, so I can always use more. So happy to see this. And then this is, oh yeah, this is from REI. It's a water-resistant travel waist pack. Sweetie, I'm trying to show stuff right now. So basically this little pouch turns into a fanny pack. I was so impressed like how small this gets because I actually opened it up and was curious like how it turns into a bag. A fanny pack. Look at that, Zoe. Turns into a nice fanny pack. There was a $20 gift card from Newegg. This is awesome. I do shop on Newegg. Like stuff that I buy, like these lights that I'm using right now to shoot, my tripod, the external hard drives, SD cards, like all those things I either buy on Newegg or Amazon. So this, I will be using this, thank you. And then I think these items are from like Etsy sellers. Zoe, can you get down, sweetie? She thinks it's a toy. Handmade with Love by women artisans. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm gonna put the Christmas tree this year, so I'm gonna definitely put on my Christmas tree. And then there was a pair of earrings. Oh, this is from Etsy. It says etsy.com/shop/indigo clay jewelry. I mean, I'm assuming this is too. I'll have to look it up later. It's not a toy. Okay, so moving on. Looks like next here is a bag. This is from Mark and Graham. I kind of want to use it for like a makeup bag or something. Huh, Zoe? Next, what we got in here? There's like so much like makeup. I'm gonna go through this brand here. I don't know how to say this brand. Laneige? But I've never used this brand, although I hear really great things about it. My girlfriend was actually telling me the other day, like she loves this brand. And so this is great that I get to try the travel size products. This is probably great to like as a stocking stuffer. But I really like this mesh bag right here. This is so cute. Like whenever I go to Japan and visit my family, I always go to the hot springs with my mom. And we always bring like our little like toiletry kit. And I think this would be so perfect to take with me next time I'm in Japan when we go to the hot springs. All right, I think these are just like all different skincare brands. So this one, I've never heard of this one, Innisfree. So it's a firming serum and then looks like this is a cream. And this one is an eye cream. All right, so those are like kind of the skincare products that wasn't the gift bag. So there was a Fenty booth at the event, so it was no surprise that there was gonna be a bunch of Fenty products in the gift bag. Fenty Skin Lip Gloss, it says Gloss Bomb, but I think this is like something you can put on the Christmas tree, like in like an ornament. Thought that was really cute. Hair products. This is another gloss bomb, also lip liner from Fenty. So I was really excited to see this in there because I don't know if you see them, but I see these Instagram videos all the time where someone's putting on like this lipstick and then they peel it off and then the color just stays on there and you can't smear it. I'm always just like, does that really work? I've always been curious, but I've never actually made the purchase. So when I saw this in there, I was like, oh my gosh, I finally get to try it and see if it's actually true what I'm seeing in videos. So I did try it and it does really work. So basically you put this on your lips. Like they say to do it like just the lip line, but I did both, like the lip line and filling in my whole lip. And you let it sit for like 10 minutes. And then after 10 minutes, you peel it off, which is like so weird. Cause at first I'm like, is it really gonna peel off? It does. And then it just stays there. Like I can't, like I'll like smear it and like it just stays there. And basically I think it lasted, cause you know, I put it on in the morning and then I had lunch and it lasted for at least 6 hours. And then it slowly started fading, but I was pretty impressed at how long it lasted. I think this will be great for traveling so you don't have to always touch up and your lips will always look nicely colored, like you have like this nice flush and it looks so natural. So yeah, I'm so glad this was in there. I'm already a huge fan. Next is, there was a lot of like fragrance type stuff. So let me kind of like pull those out. So this says fragrance.com. It's a refillable fragrance. So it looks like this. And you know, I never take like my perfume, obviously my perfume bottles with me because they're too big to take on flights. But now that I have this, I'm gonna try to use it and see if I can take the perfume that I like and stick it in here because this is really convenient. And this is so heavy. At first I didn't even know what it was, but then I saw on the back here it said perfume. It's so pretty. So it sits like that. Look how pretty that is. Okay, next is a diamond art kit. So I have never heard of diamond art kits until I actually went to this event. Apparently it's pretty popular. I don't know if I have the patience to do a diamond art kit. It might be a good stress reliever. Maybe I should try it out, but this will be interesting if I do give it a try. I thought this was interesting. It is a paint party kit for 4 people. And I'm like, oh, this is like a great kit to have if I want to like have like a little wine party with my girlfriends. And then there's more paint stuff like canvas painting kits. So there's this one here, and it's just so cool. Like it just provides everything for you. It's almost like, it's like a coloring book, I guess. And then there's 2 little kits here. I mean, it doesn't look like there is paint and brushes in here, but there are. All right, I think I'm gonna stop here, and then I'm gonna do another video, part 2, and finish up the rest of the stuff that I got. And I'm really excited to show some of the other stuff because I've already been using it and I love it so far. And it's also some clothes and brands that I like. So yeah, stay tuned for part 2.